which of the vlogs recently I cut my nails? अभी देखो फिर से they grew. Which is a good thing, which means all the protein synthesis, everything is happening properly. But then it is so irritating, yaar. Every once in a week I have to cut my nails. Obviously, this is what happens when you have lots and lots and lots of protein all the time. Subah se raat tak, if you're having protein shake, chicken, fish, all the time protein. I'm happy about it, but then I'm very lazy to sit and cut my nails. Any problems are life long. Okay, how many of you agree that hair is back now? It's much better, right? The volume and all. But let me give you a heads up right now, because hair loss is gonna start. The transformation has started. I'm once again in my caloric deficit. My trainer put me in caloric deficit long back, but I didn't follow it. But since like 3 or 4 days, I strictly started following it, and I can see hair falling. Like when I'm pulling it too much, I can see that 2 or 3 strands are coming. So before you people say, Shriman, you're using that shampoo, this shampoo, because of that you're having hair loss. No. It is not because of that. Abhi to you can see, right? It's all nice and good, but this is gonna go soon in the next 7 or 8 days. Already it is falling. No, that's how it works, human body. Physical stress or mental stress, straight it goes to your hair follicles. So nothing to fret about it. Fret, by the way, fret bole to worry. Now a lot of you people watch my videos and say that you learn a little bit of English from my vlogs. So once in a while when I speak such words, I'll try to give the meaning of it so that you people can also learn. Fret means worry. I don't know all this. My wife taught me all this. Chalo, abhi to let's cut my nails, tuck, and I'll see you guys. Now let me go take a shower, but before that I'll oil my hair. I wanted a good massage, but no one is there to give me a massage here. I want a good head massage. For now, at least let me do myself head massage. Nothing fancy. I'll be using the good old coconut oil. It is Wow's extra virgin coconut oil. It's 100% pure and natural. You can use it for your skin to massage. You can use it as a moisturizer for your skin once again, and you can use it for your hair for good hair growth. And this being 100% cholesterol free and 100% trans fat free, you can even consume it. It improves digestion, provides energy. It is also known to improve your brain functioning. My mom keeps telling me, cook your food with coconut oil. Only thing is I personally don't like the taste of it, but if you can do that, it has a lot of benefits for your bone health and joints. Wow's extra virgin coconut oil, it is unrefined, it's unbleached, just clean, pure, 100% natural coconut oil. And also you guys know that there is a QR code which you can scan on most of the Wow products, which will tell you the authenticity of the product. Whenever you scan, you get some points, and you can use these points to buy from Wow app. Also, I really like Wow's app. It is super easy to navigate, super easy to shop, and most importantly, you have some app specific offers. And as we all know, Wow is proudly Indian made. All their products are free from chemicals, parabens, no silicons. So Abhi, let me take a quick shower and I'll see you guys. We have something very important thing. After a long time, we're gonna unbox a new bike. If I literally think about it, almost like a couple of months back, maybe almost a year back, dude. Unfortunately not my bike yet, but you know, as a group we don't have that differentiation. Kisi ka bike rehne do, it is like always a pleasure, but definitely Chaitanya is going to be super duper amazing, next level excited for this purchase. Let's stop talking now, let's quickly go and I'll show you the unboxing of the new gem. Oh my god, getting really hot. You have arrived at JSP Motorrad Hyderabad. 2 horrible things I wanted to show you in the dash. One is 38 degrees centigrade. Second thing is 8.3 kilometers for a liter. DCT ka jadoo. Petrol DCT automatic ka jadoo. Because I was driving in sports mode, not sports mode, normal mode. There are 3 modes: normal, sports and economy. I was driving in normal mode. So, super excited. Bike is here. Let's go. I have already seen the truck. They're waiting for us. Congrats, buddy.
Thank you.
There is a bike. Chaitanya, what if the bike fell inside the truck like our bikes did?
Then it's not my bike.
Car e kelipodam. Ita padagani car e kelipodam. Chaitanya, your dream bike.
Yeah.
Huh?
I can't even speak right now. It's like
it's okay, I understand. I understand. I mean, this is passionate biking. Not just to ride.
It's been a long time coming.
No, whenever we speak about bikes, this guy will be like that one. I should be telling. Abhi title mein aayega so.
Abhi aayega title.
The what is this?
This is the R90. BMW. English
Iska bikes are like very complicated. BMW 850 GS.
Yours will also come, dude. 1250 GSA. R1250 GSA.
If we get a good deal, should be coming in the same truck.
There is a 1250 in this truck. That's what Sundar is
Oh yes,
saying.
Sundar was telling there's a 1250 GS in this.
I told him just put a A sticker next to the GS. Convince Shriman is
We are
like the
bikers,
new.
bro. We shouldn't talk like that. We shouldn't talk about decals and all.
This one's ours.
Oh wow, wow. Yeah, Unreal. Wow, actually wow. This is the last time you wanna see it here in the truck. After that, you'll never see it like this. It'll be on the road. Or inside your house, inside the hall.
We're going straight from here to some detailer place who can put a PPF on it.
Very important. For such bikes, you need to maintain it. I mean, GSVS worth is okay. They should be rugged. But these are like proper gems.
I think now it's also very low because they maxed out the suspension.
Yeah, they
right?
pulled
compressed the
with this.
suspension.
Yeah.
So now it looks even like
Short.
shorter. अरे चूपिया कर रहा कैमरा सच बोलना नहीं
Usually Chaitanya tries to act emotions, but this is natural. I know. This is very natural.
Goosebumps, bro. No, it's weird because you dream about it for like so long and then you finally see it.
But this happened all of a sudden, right? Like all of a sudden. I thought you'll take at least 2 years more, 1.5 years at least. You were suddenly like, I booked the bike.
So thanks to Manu.
Gift from Manu.
From Manu.
Chaitanya, don't look at it. Don't look at it. Surgery chal raha.
That's why I'm keeping like 10 feet distance.
पटेल
पटेल के समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या करना
So there are a couple of subscribers here. They are thinking my bike is gonna come out. No, अभी time है उसके लिए. I think mostly 90%. Okay, Chaitanya is busy. There is no.
sorry.
Correct. Actually, enjoy this. We'll talk later. These are the moments you need.
ये पकड़ो ऐसा
This is Desi Jugaad. I don't want to see this. నా గుండెని ఎత్తి తీసి పెట్టినట్టు ఉందిరా ఇట్లా
This is the bike that looks good indoors and outdoors as well. Any kind of lighting.
I need to figure out how to keep this bike indoors.
It's easy, dude. You have a huge hall. Just pull it in.
No, from those.
You want our
pictures, I want
Malkajgiri
to, like,
Jugaad?
Put a ramp. I want to put a ramp at the.
Come on, feel it. Feel it, bro.
Not
The best part I
suitable
like
limit.
about this is this part. Brushed aluminium.
Actually, even this is metal. I thought
Yeah,
it's
it is
plastic.
metal. I think it's brushed aluminium.
But then like two different brush treatments. This is more glossy. This is matte. I think they have the clear coat paint on this one.
Maybe. But this is also proper boxer, 1250 boxer, right?
1200.
1200 boxer.
1200 boxer engine.
Okay.
This has, I think, this has the first 1200 GS boxer engine. This is still that same engine.
Oh.
Still like air cooled.
It's definitely not a proper practical bike if you want to take it out for long rides and all, but
It doesn't have slipper clutch. Feel how hard that clutch is.
it is fine. It's not that hard.
No, you try the GS once and then come back.
GS is made for adventures, so you need a hydraulic clutch on it. But I think this has hydraulic clutch, dude.
It doesn't have slipper clutch.
You don't need that, right, for this bike. You're not taking on a track.
Very few electronics on this bike.
That's how it should be.
That's how it should be.
Yeah, raw.
There's no like cornering ABS.
One problem is there. spoked tubes. Welcome to Srijan's world. They are spoked tube tires, so that's going to be one issue. The problem is if something happens, if there's a puncture, you need to call the RSA. You can't do it outside because it's a shaft driven bike, so complications.
Apparently that might not be a reason to make it hard to remove it, but I think the
Dude,
screws
you
that
need
they
to
use-
look at the system. You need to remove this. It looks only so complicated. You want to remove the entire tire so that you can fix the tube.
Possible. We have to talk
But
to
we'll definitely make sure that we get a tubeless solution for this. Most probably changing the wheels.
So
But-
part of buying this bike is you have to sort of commit to the fact that you need to put few extra rupees.
Few extra rupees. It's pretty expensive BMW parts, and wheels are going to cost up to 2 lakhs.
Plus.
2 lakhs plus
Plus.
for 2 wheels. Spoked tubeless.
So first thing we have to check is if these tires are tubeless. Can they support a tubeless rim?
That is also there.
Otherwise you'll have to change the rubber
tire
also.
as well.
The tire also.
Karcha stat. Welcome to BMW, bro.
See, it says tubeless.
Oh, then good.
See.
Then you just need to
We have to change the
wheels,
rim.
alloys.
Change the rim. Yeah.
కొంచెం సేవ్ అయిపోయింది 20-30,000 సేవ్ 30,000 సేవ్
Should we peel?
yes
I don't want to peel.
అరే how many days you'll keep it
After delivery we'll peel.
actually there should be a peel on this అలా తీసుకుంటే ఒక satisfaction వస్తుంది
If this gets damaged, I swear I'm taking a 310 GS part and putting it here. See that from there. I'll take that and put it.
exactly no this is bigger dude
Yes, it's
and
bigger.
it's more classy it's got like proper metallic finish and that looks like a sticker you get Brembos actually we'll talk about the specs and all that in next video maybe
I don't know
when
the
we
specs,
take the
so don't
delivery
ask me.
he just likes the bike the look of
Rohit
it
might
he just
know the
took it
specs.
specs and all nowadays you can find it on Google so it doesn't matter but it's surprising that it's got a very small radiator for such a huge engine
Mostly it's air cooled.
see that it's tiny dude
So this is a air and oil cooled engine. Most of the time air cooling is sufficient.
we should try did you ride it before no test ride nothing I say le liya bas
It's a very characterful bike. It's not a practical.
yeah it looks like that like a lot of passion went
Like
into
we
it
can
while
spend a long
designing.
time just pointing out to each bit and like talking about why
the
it's
typical
designed this
classic
way.
thing, yeah, I know.
Exactly.
And you get a lot of mods on it as well
Oh yeah, this bike was made to be modded. It's a very modular system. So like example I'll show you. If you don't want a pillion seat, you just remove these two screws
okay
and you remove these two screws, the entire subframe comes off.
oh nice
So immediately you can make it a single seater with a rear cowl and all, with like minimal tooling.
but the big question is oh we don't have the battery right I want to check the horn is it Honda Activa horn maybe Olins
I don't know whether are there other ones?
it doesn't matter
Exactly.
when is the delivery bro I don't think we're making a
Hopefully
delivery
all-
video
Yeah, it's just going to
Too
be
much
me
power,
and
okay,
my family.
it's a family close family event so okay once you get it take the delivery that day we'll meet you
Yeah,
afterwards
definitely.
we'll go for a test ride
We'll do classics, right?
yeah we're gonna plan a classics ride
Shiva
next
is not
month.
invited.
None
So
of
is
them are
Steven
invited. Only
20.
people who have a classic are invited. What is this car, bro? No ventilated seats, nothing. No 360 camera.
నీకు ఇప్పుడు ఫ్యాట్ లేదు కదరా ఎందుకు నీకు వెంటిలేషన్
See, so hot, dude, outside. Look at the sun. 39 degrees.
రాత్రి ఆయన చలేస్తుంది జీరో ఫ్యాట్ అని చెప్తావు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి
రాత్రి సాలే వేస్తుంది మరి. So now we're gonna get
so negative. Don't spoil my day. Having a very good day.
See my car. And that's called off-road parking. BMW people ask me to park there. I don't want to park on the road,
By the
obviously.
time I-
Anyways, we're gonna get a party today. Unboxing के लिए?
You want this cheap party?
Not. Anyways, even if you give me an expensive party, I'll be having my grilled chicken. That's it.
అరే ఏదిరా మన we crossed it.
No, ఇంకా వెళ్ళాలి. Simple Shriman ka diet. Give him black coffee. Naita give him grilled chicken. He'll be happy. So Chaitanya, are we doing the first ride next month? See, this is what I said. I don't want to ride for the next couple of months till June. This fellow got a bike now.
Me and Manu.
Obviously,
उसके बाद देखेंगे.
you should take your wife and go. She's watching.
She doesn't. Even if she's not watching, for future proof.
For future proof. So Chetan is thinking about you.
Yeah,
Okay?
exactly.
At least for the camera.
Take 3. Start.
You know, wives are very important.
Wives are very important in life.
Pooja to pakka she'll watch. हमारा NRI doesn't know routes in Hyderabad. Every day he'll come here, but he doesn't know routes.
ఉన్నావు కదరా
నాకు అసలు తెలియదు.
అదే మరి
all follow maps. Only maps బతుకు. Volkswagen is amazing in terms of ride quality,
most things, yes.
Safety features, amazing, next level. But AC is bullshit. This is full.
They suck in environmental consciousness. Dieselgate. Chepra, never forget. Always remind them. Put pressure.
Seriously, AC is so effed up.
Yeah, AC is pretty bad.
This is nothing. This is full, it seems.
Yeah, see? Nice.
Chaitanya,
sound వస్తుంది మంచిగా.
time to change your car.
Sound వస్తుంది.
Time to change your car. Sound మాత్రం మస్తు వస్తుంది.
Change nahi, I need a second car.
And this will be a pal packet car.
No, we need 2 cars because Manu also wants to go out.
Yeah, nowadays घर पे you need 2 cars minimum.
She has her own work that she wants to travel. Now, initially in lockdown time there wasn't that requirement. Uske pehle she was going to work, right? So company used to send a car to pick her up and all.
Oh.
So she never had a requirement for a.
మనం అలాంటి జాబ్స్ కి ఎప్పుడు పోలే. కంపెనీ మనల్ని పిక్ చేసుకునే అంత పెద్ద జాబ్స్ మేము చేయలేదు. We don't know. Please don't tell me all that. ఎట్లనో అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు.
The most impressive part of the company that she's working for is if it's late night and if they are driving if they're driving women back home, there'll be an additional security.
Alright, finally I have a big camera here. You know, after this particular clip, literally half the day was also not done and my memory was full. But like I told you, 20 GB to 30 GB for one vlog per day is more than enough. But what happened is, in that excitement when I saw the R90, the BMW legendary R90, I wanted to take some nice 120 FPS shots, which I did. And after that I forgot to toggle this back to normal 60 FPS. That is where everything went down. It took a lot of space on my memory card and I was stranded. I did not have my main camera to vlog. So then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do share, do comment, do subscribe for sure, because abhi vlogs are gonna be lit. We're gonna get some amazing vlogs from now onwards, because not just the delivery, I mean we're not doing the delivery video, he's taking the delivery with his family, but ek delivery to hoga, that is my delivery video, I mean my bike delivery video. I don't know when is that gonna happen. Waiting for a lot of approvals, waiting for a lot of financial decisions to be taken. And more interesting, forget about this delivery videos, dude, there's something more interesting coming up. Mostly in the 1st or 2nd week of April, you should be experiencing that through this camera. I'm so excited about this. It's been a long time since I've done something like that, so hang on for that, subscribe karo, keep watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.